You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're here at the Rochester subway. And I'm here with,
Noah Tharp.
Anna Nealand.
Hey.
You have to say your name, Davis.
Oh, I do? Oh, okay. I'm David Scott.
no, you're
This is
Nat.
my movie. I'm Nat. Since when?
Frick you. Alright, so we're here at the subway, and probably what's the last entrance, it appears. Alright, Noah, do you want to turn on the flashlight?
Yeah, sure.
Let me adjust the brightness settings here.
Yeah, this flashlight is useless.
Shut up. Alright.
Jacket? You want? Jacket, a little chilly. Do we need like masks to breathe? Oh, that's
This is creepy.
scary and it smells.
Don't be angry, be happy.
This is like the real deal.
Am I the only one who's scared?
I really, if there's a homeless person down here,
Oh my
they're
gosh.
not right in the mind because nobody should be down.
The image is gonna get grainy.
This is
It's at
terrifying.
the 1600.
This is like completely dark.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Let me turn my.
How is it in the pictures I saw? It was so bright. Oh, this is bad. Whoa.
Look at this stuff. That was just you?
All right, there's gloves. Obviously to hide the fingerprints. There's shoes.
Rick? Look, people have piled up trash here. What do you guys think so far?
I really like the graffiti. It must be really talented for people to come down here and do it in the dark, especially.
Oh, it's a computer. Why? I can't imagine what's on that hard drive. What the heck? Somebody like
Somebody just
have their
dumps
office
it in
there.
Oh. The air feels different down here, if you guys notice.
Right there, you get a good picture.
What?
Yes.
Okay, turn the flashlight off. Here we go. Stand very still because the shutters. There we go. That's good.
Babe Patrol! Babe Patrol! Oh my gosh, Babe Patrol. There's tire tracks down here. How'd these get here? Yeah, let's just bring a dirt bike into this abandoned subway. That's
Looks
it.
like a lot of dirt down here, so.
Oh. This probably was a tarp here. It's probably some homeless man.
Yeah, that's definitely.
That's someone's house.
Does this place make you feel kind of sad?
Yeah, well, because you gotta think that people actually live down here too.
It does make me sad. These are some recent footprints here. Really recent. Oh, dude, this is so sick. Notice you can't hear any cars anymore? Barely. I don't even know where we are. We must be really deep underground. Dude, there's so much dust in the air. What? look at that.
That's a lot of work. That's a waste of time. That's a lot of work.
Shine your light on that. Dude, this is a freaking novel on here.
The promise of a future with her eye. That all got wiped out.
Hey guys, remember that scene, like I think Lord of the Rings, where in that giant cavern with lit by pillars and all that? There's a bunch of goblins everywhere. That's what this feels like.
Oh, are these the ticket things?
Yeah, these might be the ticket booths.
I'd like to go to Buffalo, please.
Do you hear anything? Hey, there's a voices down there. Dude, it's okay. We're just other explorers. Hello? Anyone there? Shh. Shut up. Right. Guys, listen. There's just some other explorers down here. That's all. Maybe we heard them from like a sewer pipe or something, because I don't hear them anymore. Okay, there are people down here, but I guess they're going to be less suspicious, so just prepare to meet.
No,
We'll just stay out of their way, but if they say hi, we'll just say hi.
No, yeah, no, the only reason I want to go down there is because we couldn't see them. This is fine. I've met people in the subways before, and they're perfectly great people. They're doing the same thing we're doing.
Whoa, guys, look at this! Noah, be careful. Careful. Alright, that drops directly down, okay? I know this is obvious, but be careful. Hey guys, look! Ladder! Where do you think that goes?
Probably just to the surface. This is light traffic.
Oh, I don't like that.
So many webs! Oh my god!
You really want to be careful here. idea, just so you guys know. This is very dangerous. This is
How
not.
deep does the water go? It's not that deep.
Hold on to the railing, all right? All right, guys. We're here at the construction area. I don't know if you can see it.
Something's dropping.
Danger is my middle name. I'm just gonna poke up here. Noah, do you want to hold my camera for a second? Alright, there's a sewer pipe down here. Hello? Anyone down here?
I hope not.
Oh, hi, David.
What is that? Whoa. It's a burnt
Text.
book.
Let me read it. Video operator. Khan identified itself, and Patch's voice came back in clearly irritated. Why haven't I heard from you? You were supposed to position 15 minutes ago. What's going down? He growled. We have it in sight and getting to position. You have to get moving. Back to me, understand? Patch said. Now they could see the village among the thatched roofed huts that look Khan arranged. All right, and it goes away. This is not a good idea, by the way, just so you know. Oh! Yeah.
I want to tie your shoe.
I'm not
Take a
gonna.
trip.
That makes you think about all the lives. Every person who wrote here has their own unique and individual life. Their life will never be the same as anyone.
Well, especially if you think about the fact that people since, what was Noah saying, like probably like the 60s or the 80s may have come down here and done some graffiti. They still could have done it though. You think that stops the rebels of the age? Nuh-uh.